This is Pacific Blue.
Gorgeous. Oh, I love this kind of color.
So nice.
You just want to, it's like the midnight ocean.
Right.
You just want to like jump in.
This is Beach Rock.
Beach Rock. I love your California-inspired names.
Sand dunes.
Sand dunes.
Well, we are based in Malibu, so that's where the inspiration comes from.
Wire resistance
So
and
limited sand dunes,
even
large
smaller
PX,
or
and then
about that
unlimited
same
rows.
size 20 gauge
Take this
wire
piece
at nearly
and
1 to
just
2
show the
feet.
details. If you can see, we've got this beautiful and delicate little groove tab collar that goes all scoop neck all the way around, and that is also
Shows that
real delicate.
any
And then, of course,
conductor
you have, like, this darling little drawstring
or resistor that operates in radio signals has much more resistance anywhere there's radio reception. I was getting about 1 ohm for somewhere around 1 to 2 feet of 20 to 30 gauge motor wire. So if this is accurate, which I'm guessing that it should be,
The nature of this fabric, the colors, they're just very flattering. And if you run hot, this is a fabric.
then yeah,
Return it if you don't.
it should show
This is one of their lighter weight, but you still get all that coziness
the
that
truth
you fall in love
about
with.
resistance
Look at their
values,
very soft. I love the look of the slab.
measuring
Shoulder, so that
specific
person is
resistance.
pushed over one shoulder. And,
But the
they
resistance
love how
I
it
noticed
sprays with pants. I mean, this
didn't
is
change
the easiest kind of way.
very
You can
much.
take this anywhere throughout your day, but you're keeping
So
it
how
simple
could
and
data
feel like
transmit
it's the softest, like, comfortable baby
without
wear.
a
I don't know how else to
change?
explain it.
And again, that is why this piece is so popular, because people kind of love
It may be
so now you could throw this on with a little
conductor
pair of jeans, your yoga pants after you
that
do yoga,
operates
you know, or you wear it
in
out, dress up a little bit,
sequence
put a little necklace on it, go out
with
and have a little
other
lunch. Yeah,
resistors
so it
and
has that
conductors.
versatility to be able to do that. Of course, you look darling. You've got a little pair of white capris on with it,
That would be a
and little pair of
combination.
gray, white peak toe, so that's what's great about it.
We know that radio signals have frequencies. So if it's FM, if it's frequency modulation, then there will be less resistance change. Possibly. There may be more change with amplitude. Not real sure.
I wanted you to see if you could turn a little bit to the side, so if you guys can come in and see this, it's so pretty the way that it comes down.
This is a big iffy situation.
On the top,
You would have to measure waveforms, so you would need an oscilloscope. So basically, cell phones operate like an oscilloscope. They put current through resistible wire, and each waveform equals some form of various data. So an oscilloscope is a lot more sensitive than a voltmeter. A standard traditional conventional voltmeter wouldn't necessarily measure the state of charge to give you a certain component information. You're going to need component information that is amplified by tiny circuitry in waveforms and signals. So the variance in resistance can be really slight, which is a really specialized circuit, which reduces the amount of charge in the air required to use certain electronics. So quantum physically, you're looking at a very minute charge that creates a very low amount of voltage per area volume to create a waveform of resistance.